Nah, look at this little weird witchcraft house, yo. This little weird ass witchcraft house, yo. Nah, look at this little weird ass witchcraft house, yo. What the fuck is that, dude? What the fuck is going on in this little weird ass witchcraft ass house, fool? Nah, what's going on in this fucking little weird ass place, fool? What the fuck? Nah, dude. Who's trying to interrupt us right now so badly that there's a dead ass bird on the floor? I don't know nothing about that, alright? Nah, like, it's almost like someone planted that crap there. So, like, this ain't our shit, nigga. Like, this shit that I would never do anything like that. I just found out right now. Like, I don't know no time ever. There's some little dead ass bird and the acid all smashed next to me. Nah. So, I don't know if you see anything. I'm gonna take that dead ass bird out. Probably throw in this trash right here. And the funny part is, it's like I seen this trash with bugs on it, right? But it's like, come on, man. There's a dead bird. We don't have a dead bird. Someone's like fucking putting dead birds and shit out. Just stay out of the cold. That ain't it. To see us tie, shoot, or throw away the trash, you should hear a revving engine and all that jazz. That's literally why the trash got taken out this slow. You should hear somebody fly home from Hawaii, stand in a little tiny gap, and then try to stall every move from there on. Like the military should come out in a helicopter just to start to spot people take out their trash. Yeah, a weaponized vehicle, every little stupid muffler, just to watch you take out the trash. We did not put no bird right here all smacked up. That ain't us. They planted a knife on us too.